the coolest and fluffiest financial gurus. Real estate plays a big part in the market, right? It feels great to be the master of your own burrow. But how exactly does the buying process work? And why is it so crucial to understand? Well, to answer this, I decided to check out those who should know a thing or two about real estate. Yes, I'm talking about celebrities. Let's tune in and see what's happening.
Jay-Z and Beyonce bought a $200 million house in California.
Yeah.
In Malibu.
They're saying they paid all cash for it, too. The cash thing is like that's not exactly like a real thing.
Well, you can pay cash for your down payment.
But they are saying they paid the whole thing cash. What most people in this circumstance do, and I didn't know this until recently, this was even an option, and this is how like people with high net worth can really have a huge advantage in these types of circumstances. You can take a loan out on your assets, use that loan, that line of credit, as cash, buy the property, and then refinance it into a mortgage. So you get all your money back. So you pay off that loan and now you have a mortgage, right? So that's how a lot of rich people pay all cash for things without actually taking their money out of the stock market.
It seems stars know how to shine not just on stage, but in the real estate market too. Considering the gigantic sums their homes command, dealing in cash might not be the most practical or safe option. Looks like there's a real financial benefit to paying in cash though. What do you think? If you were buying a mansion, would you carry the bills or opt for a bank transfer? Share your thoughts in the comments. Meanwhile, I'm off to hunt down more cool videos for you, so don't miss out. See you next time, and remember, hamsters are power. One for all, and all for one. Hey there, my fabulous finance-savvy hamsters! Scrambling up the financial ladder, we're learning the twisty nuances of various markets and gradually mastering the gears of different economies. But what if I told you the real key might just be simplicity? I stumbled upon a rad video that showcases how simplifying isn't always a bad thing. Let's check it out.
There's a story about Elon Musk that I love that I tell my team all the time. He had a group of engineers on his plane, and the group of engineers said that the change in the business he needed to make was going to take them 6 months or a year to spin off. And Elon said, turn the plane around, we're going to go to the storage center directly, and we're going to fix the problem in 24 hours. And what do you think they did? They did it. It's this crazy idea that we make things more complex than we need because it makes us seem needed. And so I want you to think about this idea. Where in my life can I make things that seem complex a lot simpler?
Kinda motivating, right? What do you think about such advice, buddies? Can simplifying really lead to success? Or should thorough analysis and gradual steps rule everything? Considering this story is about Elon, you kinda wanna believe it by default. I mean, who can argue with his success, right? Anyway, drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's unpack this together. I'm off to dig up some new vids for you, so don't miss out. Catch you in the next episode. And remember, hamsters are power. One for all and all for one.